following, following. Please check the following items before you leave. Please check the following items before you leave. Purchase, purchase. You can purchase tickets at the station. You can purchase tickets at the station. Recently, recently. She recently moved to a new apartment in Osaka. She recently moved to a new apartment in Osaka. Introduce, introduce. Let me introduce our new team member, Kenji. Let me introduce our new team member, Kenji. Payment, payment. Payment by credit card is accepted here. Payment by credit card is accepted here. Pleased, pleased. We're pleased to welcome you to our office. We're pleased to welcome you to our office. Repair, repair. The elevator is being repaired until Friday. The elevator is being repaired until Friday. Invitation, invitation. Did you get the invitation to the company dinner? Did you get the invitation to the company dinner? Efficient, efficient. The new system is more efficient than before. The new system is more efficient than before. Renew, renew. Don't forget to renew your train pass this month. Don't forget to renew your train pass this month.